Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll have some interesting topic to discuss. Our topic today is how to survive in coronavirus environment for as much as we can. So first, you will need to have one of these. This is a air purification system. This one especially by Xiaomi. Here it is. From here it starts. Here you see the logo. After that you see the temperature, that's connected to Wi-Fi in my favorite mode. And here you see the pollution level. It's 007 at the moment. It has filter inside which you need to clean regularly. So it circulates the air at 360 degrees. And I will stop it. So what other things are important? Not to stay in cold. Regularly measure your body weight. This is my scale. Withings, body scale, smart scale. From time to time open to receive fresh air, which after that you need to purify from this purification. What else? You can watch some cool old movies or new ones. You can read some books to pass the time. You can fix your things at home if you have broken stuff, or if you have a broken car or something broken which it needs to be repaired or needs to be done. For example, big project, if you have one. What else? You can drink a lot of water, a lot of juices, and eat some canned food. Here is my storage. Here you can see I have some tomatoes, some fish. I have some wine leaves. I have some rice again, some olive oil. Other things, you need to have some paper. Here I got more canned food. Here I have some nuts, as you can see. So you must eat healthy food. Here I have some biscuits, something chocolatey. What else? I especially love to eat vegetables. At the moment, I try to avoid shops, and I go to shops only when I have very few people. So when they are closing or when the weather is not good. For example, today was raining a lot, and a lot of people were not in shops, which was good for me. And here's another canned food. What else? Here is my other storage. This is vegetables, for example. As you can see, I have a lot. Here is my vegetables. Fresh stuff. Fresh frozen stuff. What else? You need to wash the things more regularly. Use only good soap, not some cheap imitation, because everything these days have cheap stuff, cheap imitations. For example, even the everything. Here is my packets of nuts. These one are from abroad. So again, toilet paper, cotton things for your hands and other stuff. Disinfect things regularly. Don't go outside a lot. So basically, if you like to shop from big stores when they have food. Don't wait in queues. For example, I was waiting a few days ago in the queues, and guess what? When my When I arrived in the store, inside the store, all of the food was gone. So I lost few hours there waiting in the queue, and I got nothing in the end. I don't manage to get any food. So I was in another queue, so I lost another time, and I don't like this. Listen to music, watch movies. You can play some games. You can prepare yourself for some exam if you have exams. What else you can do? You can wash your things more often with high quality washing things, ingredients. You can use warm clothes if you live in a cold area. And the more important thing is, do not go where are people. Try to avoid people contact at minimum, or to avoid it at all if possible. For example, I pick up some things today, and I hope I won't go out for the next few days. That's my strategy. So I will avoid contact with people to minimum. Also, refuel your car if you drive a car, and keep your fuel in case of emergency or in case you need it, because nobody knows what will happen. And what else? If you spend a lot of your time indoors, since here where I live the walks are forbidden, you can buy yourself used or new chair, more comfortable. Also, you can get yourself a massage chair as well, and I think this will help you a lot. And I think these were most of my recommendations. Also, if you find your computer or laptop or tablet or phone slow, you can buy yourself a used one, so you can save a lot and you can get a better price per quality ratio, performance per price ratio that way. So I think this is enough, and keep watching my videos, like them, share, subscribe. And one final thing, automate as much as possible so you can have more time. For example, I cook automatically, I clean the air automatically, and etc. So spend less time with boring things and more time with the things you love. And remember, watching cool videos or movies which you like, or even mini TV series, or listening to music. Today I was listening some cool new album from one singer. I only liked one song, but this doesn't matter. I found time to listen the whole album. So there are always good things in the quarantine of the coronavirus, or quarantine in general. So till next time, people, like, share, subscribe. Until next time.